What's up, my name is TechNob here for Troubleshoot and welcome back to another video. In this quick video, I'll be showing you how to set defaults for uploads on YouTube. Basically, when you upload a video, it can automatically fill in part of the title, part of the tags, part of the description, and a couple other things. If that's something that interests you, and it should be if you have a pre-made template of including links, etc., how exactly do we do this? Well, it's actually incredibly simple. All you have to do is head across to studio.youtube.com in a browser of your choice. Inside of here, all you need to do is head across to Settings at the bottom of the list, then into Upload Defaults, and inside of here, you'll find the ability to change the default title and/or part of it, description, visibility, and tags at the very bottom. You can also change advanced settings for upload defaults, including automatic chapters, license, category, video language, caption certification, title and description language, comment visibility, and users can view ratings for this video, as well as finally the monetization tab, where you can enable everything, disable them, or anything in between. Upon finishing here, click Save, and your new upload defaults will be saved. These won't affect any of your current uploads, they'll only affect future uploads, so to test it, click the Create button, upload videos, and simply upload a brand new video of whatever kind. You should see the upload defaults have now been filled in, and you're able to customize them to your heart's content. But anyways, that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching, mine has been TechNob here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!